friends, welcome to my educational channel KJ Digital Classroom. Today we are going to discuss some interesting topics of mathematics. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and watch this video till the end, share the video and like the video. Leave the comment in comment box. Thank you and let's start. While reading numbers, it is always easy to use words instead of reading individual digits. For example, instead of reading 327, it is easy to read it 327 or simply 327. So friends, in this section we shall discuss various methods of expressing a number in words. These methods are known as method of numeration. There are two commonly used methods of numeration. First, Indian system of numeration and international system of numeration. So we will discuss further one by one. First, we discuss Indian system of numeration. The Indian system of numeration is used in India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal and Sri Lanka as well. It is based on the Vedic numbering system. In this system numeration, we split up the given number into groups or what we call periods. We start from the extreme right digit to the given number and move on the left. First three digits of the extreme right from the group of ones. You can see units, tens and hundreds. This group known as ones. The second group of next two digits on the left of the group of ones from the group of thousands, which is further split up into the thousands and 10,000s. You can see here thousands and 10,000s. The third group of the next two digits of the left of the group of thousand from the group of lakhs, which is split up into lakhs and 10 lakhs. Here you can see that lakhs and 10 lakhs. Two digits on the left of the group of lakhs from the group of crores, which is split up into crores and 10 crores as shown in the following chart. You can see that crores and 10 crores. So above all discussion, you can see in this chart known as Indian place value chart. The Indian system of numeration number are written using the digit 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. You can see that each digit getting a value depending on the place it occupy in the place value chart. Now we take some examples. Write the following numbers in digit, also express them in expanded form. 5,42,057 and second example is 78 crores 5 lakhs 10,024. You can see in table that I put all the digit as like this, and second example as well. Now solution of first example, the number 5,42,057 represent the collection of 5,42,000 0 hundreds, 5 tens and 7 units. So we write it by putting 5 lakhs in place, 4 in 10,000s place, 2 in thousands place, 0 in hundreds place, 5 in tens place and 7 in units place. Thus the number 5,42,057 is written as in expanded form is like this: 5 into 1 lakh plus 4 into 10,000 plus 2 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 7 into 1. The second example, given number is collection of 78 crores 5 lakhs 10,000 2 tens and 4 units. So it is described in word as 78 crore 5 lakh 10,024. In expanded form, it is written as 7 into 10 crores, 8 into crores, 0 into 10 lakhs, 5 into lakhs, plus 1 into 10,000 plus 0 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 4 into 1. In the Indian system of numeration, each digit of a number has a place value and a face value. The place value of a digit depends on its position, whereas the face value does not depend on its position. For example, in the number 6847, the face value of 7 is 7. Similarly, the face value of 4, 8 and 6 are also 4, 8 and 6 respectively. However, the digit 7 is the place value 7 into 1 because 7 lies in unit place. 4 is the place value 4 into 10, 40, since it is the tens place. 8 is the place value 8 into 100, so that 800, since it is the hundreds place. And 6 is the place value 6 into 1000, 6000, since it is the thousands place. So in the expanded form, the number 6847 is written as 6 into 1000 plus 8 into 100 plus 4 into 10 plus 7 into 1. It is evidence from this that number the sum of the place value of all digit. Also we can write place value of a digit is equal to face value into position value. Now let's try the following number by separating periods using commas. By separating period using commas, we have to put comma like this pattern. You can see that ones place, tens place and 100 place, then after comma 1000 place, 10,000 place, again comma, lakh and 10 lakh, and put the comma in crore and 10 crore. So putting the pattern of putting comma is like this. Now let's take one example. Suppose 59 crore 24 lakhs 32,142 can be written as like that. You can see that using comma 59 crore 24 lakhs 32,142 can be written as like this. Friends, it is evidence from the place value chart that 110 equal to 10 units, 100 is equal to 10, 10. It means 10 multiply with 10. 1000 is equal to 1000. It means 10 into 100. 10,000 is equal to 10,000. It means 10 into 1000. 1 lakh is equal to 10,000. It means 10 into 10,000. Or we can write 100,000, 100 into 1000. 10 lakh equal to 10 lakh, 10 into 1 lakh. Or 110,000, 100 into 10,000, and 1 crore is equal to 10, 10 lakh. It means 10 into 10 lakhs, and 100 lakh is equal to 100 into lakh. Now let's study about the second numeration system, which is called International System of numeration. In this system also, numbers are written by using the digit 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. Each symbol getting a value depending on the place it occupies in the place value chart. For example, 3,228,947 represent a collection of 3,248,900, 4 tens and 7 units. Therefore, it is written by putting 3 in millions place, 2 into hundred thousands place, 7 in 10,000s place, 8 into thousands place, 9 into hundreds place, and 4 into 10 place, and 7 units place. Thus, this number is written as like this. Similarly, the number 25,035,078 represent as a collection of 25 millions, 35 thousands, 7 tens and 8 units. So we write it by putting 2 into 10 millions place, 5 into millions place, 0 into hundred thousands place, 3 in 10,000s place, 5 in thousands place, and 0 in hundreds place, 7 in tens place, and 8 in units place. So, number is written as like this. The number 3278947 is first written as like this. You can see that I put the comma in this pattern and read as. So when I use the word million, you can notice that there are 6 digits come after this comma. So listen carefully and watch the digits. 3,278,947. The number 250,350,78 is first written as using comma is like this and read as 25,035,078. From the above international place value chart, we obtain 1 million is equal to 1,000 and 1 billion is equal to 1,000 million. Let's sum up the topics and comparison of both Indian system and international numeration system. Take one example, 63404044. In Indian system using comma, we can write a number as like this, and in international numeration system the number can be written as like this, and this number read as 6,34,04,044, and here this number is read as 63,404,044.